tell me if you're able to share my screen. Wait a minute. If you're able to see my screen. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Exercise 11.1, question 4. So the perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeters. So tell me, what did you not understand? Did you try doing the question, or did you not understand the question itself?
I understand the question.
Okay. So Hiba, it is very similar to the previous question. Okay. In the previous question, you were given the area and you are given the length. You have to find the breadth. Okay. In this case, you are given the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to what? 100 centimeters. Length is what? 35 centimeters. Find its breadth. B, we don't know. Okay.
Okay.
Till here it's clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, can you tell me the formula for perimeter? Perimeter of a rectangle.
2 multiplied by L plus B.
L plus B. Okay. Do you know the perimeter?
Yes, it's 35.
No.
100 centimeters.
100 centimeters, or let's just write 100 itself. Okay. Then 2 multiplied by, do you know the length? Do you know what's L?
Yeah. So it is 35.
Very good. So it is, oops, sorry. It is 35 plus B. Now we don't know what is B, right? B we don't know.
Can we flip this equation?
Exactly. Let's flip it. So 35 plus B equals what?
100.
100. Then you have solved similar equations before, remember?
Yeah.
Now what do we do?
We will bring to to the other side. It will be 50.
Very good. Then
50 minus 35.
So what does it become?
B is equal to 15.
15 what?
Centimeters square.
No, centimeters. B is what? Breadth, no?
Yeah.
So we have found the breadth. Now you have to find the area.
Yeah. So area is equal to length multiplied by breadth.
Very good. Area is equal to L into B. L is what? 35 centimeters. B is what? 15 centimeters. Solve it.
$525 centimeters square.
Very good. 525 centimeter squared. Fine. Got it?
Yes. By the way, in this exercise, the 6th, 7th, and 8th question are deleted.
Are deleted. Acha. Okay, fine. All right. Let's do the next one then. Question number 5.
Yeah. The area of a square park is the same as of a rectangular park if the side of square park is 6 meters and the length of the rectangular park is 9 meters. Sorry, 90 meters. Find the breadth of the rectangular park.
So this is 60 meters. The breadth, okay, no, length is 90 meters over here. You don't know the B. Okay, they are saying they have same area. Okay, now see, to find the area of this square, just a minute. To find the area of this square, do you have all you need to find the area of this square?
Yeah.
Yeah. So can you find the area first?
Yeah, so side multiplied by side.
Right, area of square. Okay.
So 3,600
60 multiplied
centimeters.
by 60. Meters squared, bacha. Meters. Remember, this is in meters.
Oh, yes.
Meter squared. Okay. Now, area of the square, they are saying in the question that the area of this square park is equal to the area of this rectangular park. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that means area of rectangular park will be how much? How much? How much is it? They're
L
telling you in the,
multiplied by B.
yeah, that is fine. But how much is it? How much is it?
90 multiplied by B.
Okay. And that will be equal to?
X.
No. Hiba, read the question again. Area of the square park is same as that of rectangular park. Right?
Yeah.
So area of the rectangular park will be how much?
3,600 meters square.
Why?
Because they both are same.
Yes, they both are not same. They both have the same area. Got it?
Okay.
The
Okay.
square and the rectangle have the same area. So if area of the square is this much, and whatever the area of the square is, the area of the rectangle will also be equal to that only. Right?
Yeah.
So area of the rectangle is equal to, as you said, 90 into B, and that will be equal to 3600 meter square. Okay. Till here, is it clear, Hiba?
Yeah.
Okay. Now from here, can you find B?
B is equal to 40 centimeter, no, meter square.
Meter square.
Meters.
Okay, let me show you one thing. See. Length is
We
what?
found the
90
area,
meters.
right?
Just a sec. We didn't find the area. I mean, we found the area of the square. We need to find B. We need to find the breadth. Okay. So now look here. Area of rectangle is what? L into B, right?
It's 40.
L is, L is what? 90 meters. So just look at this. B is equal to 3600 meters square divided by 90 meters. So this meter gets cancelled with this thing. Like over here, you have meter into meter, right? Meter square. So when that is divided by meter square by meter, over here, just look at this part. Okay. Meter square by meter. So this meter square is what? Meter into meter. Yeah. And this denominator, what is it? Meters. So this one thing gets cancelled with this. So you are left with this. Just one M, 1 meter unit over there. You don't have meter square. Okay. So don't make this mistake of saying meter square when it's supposed to be meter or vice versa. Got it?
Okay.
So 40 meters. Fine.
But like when we are finding like the area of anything, we don't write like it's like if it's in meters or centimeters.
The unit. No, we do
Yeah.
write the unit. We do write the unit. See, over here I didn't write because we were just in a hurry. But it's okay. You can write, no? And you're supposed to actually. You're supposed to write. Over here also, see, over here also I have written. है ना?
Yeah.
Centimeter and centimeter we have written. Fine.
Okay.
So your question 6, 7, 8 is deleted.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
All right, fine. But it's such easy questions. Why have they deleted that?
I
Okay.
don't know. They just said
Hmm.
it's deleted.
Yeah, it's okay. All right, fine. So with this, we have completed the first exercise. Now the next thing is
Can you please explain the first question, the second part?
Acha, you were not able to do that,
Yeah, I didn't
but we did it in
understand.
class. I remember. Okay, fine. We'll do it. We'll do it again. So, what did you not understand in that, Hiba?
It's confusing.
Okay, which part is confusing you? What I mean, what is confusing you? Like the second part, I get it, but um, what about it is confusing you?
Like it's like money, so it's kind of confusing.
Okay, you find it confusing when there are topics related to money?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. See, Hiba, if I tell you that, okay, so when you go to a shop, you have, let's say you go to a shop to buy cloth, okay, cloth material. See, there are different types, there are different ways of buying cloth. Okay, one is you can buy ready-made clothes like you do online, or you go to a mall, or even some shops, they have ready-made clothes. Okay, you just pick your size and you are ready to go. But another way is to go to a market where they sell meters and meters of cloth over there. That's they sell you the material. It's not stitched, you have to get it stitched. So they sell a lot of material. Okay, so um let's say this is 20 meters of cloth. Okay, but to buy or to make one, let's say to make one dress, you need 3 meters of cloth. Okay, and you go to the shop, the shopkeeper will tell you, you will ask, what is the rate of this cloth? How much does this cloth cost? He won't tell you the cost of the entire thing, because obviously no one's going to buy the entire thing. So he will tell you कि ये कपड़ा इतने रुपए मीटर है. Okay, this cloth is 400 rupees per meter. इतने रुपए मीटर है. That's how they talk. That's how they will say that it is ये 400 रुपए मीटर है, ये 500 रुपए मीटर है. What does that mean? That if you buy 1 meter of this cloth, you will get, or you will have to pay 400 rupees to buy 1 meter. Till here, is it clear, Hiba?
Yes.
Okay. So now you know that to make a dress, you need 3 meters of cloth. So you will say, okay, bhaiya, mujhe 3 meter de do. So how much will you have to pay for 3 meters of cloth?
3 multiplied by 400.
Very good. Okay. So you will have to pay how much? 1200 rupees?
Yeah, 1200.
So similarly, the exact same thing. So till here, aapko samajh mein aa gaya? It's clear?
Yeah.
Good. So the exact same thing is happening in that question. They have a piece of land, okay, a rectangular plot, and they are telling you that uska rate itna hai. Jaise this is the rate na, this is the rate. Okay. Similarly, land ka bhi ek rate hai, and that rate is per meter square. Per meter square. Meter square क्यों बोल रहे हैं? क्योंकि हम एक पूरा एरिया ले रहे हैं. Fine. Or if you want, you can take this much. If you want, you can take if you want, you can take this. If you want, someone can take this much. Okay, someone can take this much. समझ में आ रहा है यहाँ तक?
Yeah.
So per meter square you have to pay, for 1 meter square you have to pay how much? Rupees 10,000.
Okay.
Now it's up to you कि अगर आपको पूरा का पूरा लैंड खरीदना है तो you will see कि okay पूरे लैंड का क्या एरिया है, and that turned out to be I think some 15,000, right? No, 1,50,000 मीटर स्क्वायर ये एरिया था है ना?
Yeah.
तो अगर आपको ये पूरा लैंड खरीदना है, which means this entire thing if you want to buy,
But
how
I
much
didn't
will you have to
understand.
pay? हाँ,
I didn't understand how we got 1 lakh.
how we got this thing?
Yeah.
Oh, bacha, this is the first part of the question, that there is
Oh,
a
okay.
rectangular piece of land, 300
Yeah, I
meters उसकी
understand.
breadth है and 500 meters उसकी length है. समझ में आ गया ना आपको?
Yeah.
So when you multiply it, 3 5s are 15 and 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4, 1,50,000. और ये मीटर multiplied by meter gives you meter square. ठीक है?
Okay.
This question is clear now?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Any other doubts from this exercise?
No.
No? Okay. अच्छा, सो अभी तक हमने क्या देखा? हमने देखा रेक्टेंगल, हमने देखा स्क्वायर. ओके, सो rectangle and square, these are quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral means a polygon which has 4 sides. Okay, एक और टाइप ऑफ क्वाड्रिलैटरल होता है रेक्टेंगल एंड स्क्वायर के अलावा, दैट इज कॉल्ड पैरेललोग्राम. ठीक है? पैरेललोग्राम का मतलब क्या होता है पता है आपको ये बात?
Like they're parallel.
The opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. तो ये जो मैंने साइन बनाया ना यहाँ पे एरो टाइप का, इसका मतलब होता है पैरेलल.
But how are they opposite?
वो ऑपोजिट हिबा. एक बात आप मुझे ये बताइए कि ये जो रेक्टेंगल है, लेट्स से आई ड्रॉ रेक्टेंगल ओवर हियर, उसमें ये साइड और ये साइड क्या बोलेंगे हम इन दोनों को?
They are
दे आर ऑपोजिट साइड्स और
opposite.
नॉट?
They are.
Similarly, in your parallelogram, this side and this side are what? Opposite sides. एक दूसरे के opposite हैं ये.
Yeah.
ठीक है? इसी तरह this side and this side are opposite to each other. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. अब हम एक ना पैरेललोग्राम की एरिया देखते हैं कि हाउ डू वी फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ अ पैरेललोग्राम. एज फॉर पेरीमीटर, देखो पेरीमीटर इज नथिंग डिफिकल्ट. आपको एक लेंथ पता है, ठीक है, एक साइड पता है, आपको दूसरा साइड पता है, यू जस्ट ऐड ऑल ऑफ देम टुगेदर. ठीक है? तो you can find perimeter. So the actual thing that we should be focusing on is the area. How will you find the area of this? Let's say if this is the length, okay, and this is the breadth. Actually this can't be the breadth because this isn't a rectangle, but let's say एक ये height होती है. This is the height of the parallelogram. ठीक है? यहाँ से यहाँ तक हाइट ऑफ द पैरेललोग्राम है. जैसे याद है आपको हम ट्राइंगल में जब एरिया देखते हैं तो हाउ डू वी फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल? वी हैव दिस मीडियन होता है, या वी कैन नॉट मीडियन, सॉरी, द ऑल्टीट्यूड. याद है ऑल्टीट्यूड?
Yes.
या सो द एग्जैक्ट सेम थिंग ऑल्टीट्यूड यहाँ पे भी है. ऑल्टीट्यूड बोल लो या हाइट बोल लो, इट्स द सेम थिंग. ओके,
Okay.
height. All right, so this is the altitude of this is the height of the parallelogram. And let's not call it L, let's call it B. B stands for base. ठीक है? जैसे हमारे ट्राइंगल में भी एक बेस होता है,
Yeah.
है ना? तो इसमें भी बेस है. So how do we find the area of this parallelogram? Let me show you. Just consider.
Base multiplied by height.
And why? ऐसा क्यों है?
Because they both are opposite.
What are opposite?
Height and base.
ओके. तो आप ट्राइंगल में क्या बोलेंगे? ट्राइंगल में भी बेस इनटू हाइट होगा फिर? See, why the reason why it is base into height is, let's say this is your, यहाँ से यहाँ तक आपका, wait one sec, Hiba. Let me just make this again, okay? Okay. Let's just think that you have brought it over here. मैंने इसको बहुत ज़्यादा सही से नहीं बनाया है, but wait, just a minute. ठीक है, I hope it's better now. It's even worse this time. Wait a minute, Hiba. Okay. I'm making a rough figure, that's why it's coming out to be like this. Huh. So if we just cut off this part and bring it over here, okay, and make an imaginary line over here, what does this entire thing make? ये पूरा क्या बन गया हमारा? What is this shape?
A parallelogram.
ये shape क्या बन गई? ये shape देखो. Look
Square.
at this red shape. It's a square.
No, sorry, rectangle.
Yeah, it's a rectangle. ठीक है. और ये rectangle का जो ये पूरा ये वाला side था, this side plus, or let me make it with a different color so that it becomes easier for you to, okay, let's make it with red only. So ये जो पूरा साइड था इसका, this plus this, ये हमारा b था, right?
Yeah.
b. and इसका ये जो हो गया, breadth जो हो गया, how much is that? h, है ना?
Yes.
एक साइड इसका
But
b
it's
हो
the
गया.
height, right?
Yeah, I'm talking about the rectangle. So rectangle के दो sides क्या हो गए? एक b हो गया and एक h हो गया, right?
Yes. The height and the breadth.
The base of the
Sorry,
parallelogram.
base.
Okay. तो इस rectangle का area क्या होगा? इस rectangle का area, look at the rectangle. किसी भी rectangle में if you have a rectangle like this, इसको मैं कुछ भी बोल दूं, x बोल दूं and इसको मैं y बोल दूं, तो इस rectangle का area क्या होगा?
X multiplied by y.
x multiplied by y. So over here ये आपके पास एक rectangle है जिसका एक साइड h है और एक साइड b है, तो इसका एरिया क्या हो जाएगा? h multiplied by b.
Yes.
या ऐसे कह लो b multiplied by h, same thing.
Yeah.
So हमने क्या किया है? We just shifted this portion to fit it inside itself so that we can find the area. So असल में ये चीज थी क्या? This was a parallelogram, right? So here this is how you get the area of a parallelogram to be base into height.
Okay.
So area of a parallelogram Oh God. This is the height. If this is the height and from here to here is the base, then area of the parallelogram is base into height. ठीक है?
Okay.
Now अभी हम ट्राइंगल की बात कर रहे थे ना? I asked you कि फिर आप ट्राइंगल का कैसे फाइंड करोगे? So let's see if you have a triangle. If you have a triangle like this. Or not triangle, let's do one thing. Let's talk about the parallelogram itself. ठीक है? इसको हम अगर इस तरह से डिवाइड करें, you can divide this into two different triangles, right? कौन से
Yes.
ट्राइंगल्स नजर आ रहे हैं आपको?
Two.
कौन कौन से? एक तो ये हो गया हमारा,
And another one.
the other one, right? So we have two triangles here. Now ये जो आपके ट्राइंगल है और रादर ये जो आपका पैरेललोग्राम है, इस पैरेललोग्राम को देखो, and similarly you will have a height over here. This is the height of the parallelogram.
Yeah.
और इसी तरह ये भी हाइट ही होती है पैरेललोग्राम की, ठीक है? ऑपोजिट साइड पे भी दिस इज द हाइट एंड इट्स द सेम. ऑब्वियसली आप देखो यहाँ पे हम कितने लाइंस कवर कर रहे हैं. वन लाइन, देखो ये लाइन, इस लाइन की बात कर रही हूँ मैं. 1 2 3 4, 4 लाइंस कवर कर रहे हैं. और आप इस वाले हाइट को भी काउंट करोगे तो देयर इज 1 2 3 4. हियर आल्सो यू आर कवरिंग 4 लाइंस.
4 lines.
So what did we understand? That the height of the parallelogram doesn't matter कि आप इसको इस वाले साइड से ले रहे हैं या उस साइड से ले रहे हैं, ठीक है? So the height is the same. Now look at these two triangles, okay? सबसे पहले आप इस ट्राइंगल को देखिए जिसको अभी मैंने ब्लू शेड किया था, this one. And also the base of the parallelogram is this, है ना? This is the base. Can you tell me, first of all, tell me what is the area of the parallelogram? अभी हमने देखा था. What is the area?
B multiplied by H. So base multiplied by height.
the height. And we can also see that this parallelogram, जब हमने इसको बीच में से डिवाइड कर दिया तो it is getting divided into two equal triangles. ये triangles आपस में congruent हैं. How will you know? अगर आप इसको बीच में से कट करो and try folding it and try overlapping the triangle on top of each other, so they will be overlapping, they will turn out to be congruent, है ना?
Yeah.
We can even sit and prove this if you want, but it's very easy to show that these are two congruent triangles. अब congruent triangles है, इसका मतलब they are both exactly similar to each other, है ना? Exactly same है एक दूसरे के. इसका मतलब इन दोनों triangles की area एकदम same है ना? So what does that mean? That means कि this parallelogram is getting divided into two triangles of the same area. That means एक triangle की area of one triangle is equal to, or what we can say is कि area of the parallelogram is equal to area of two triangles, right? है ना? देखो area of this entire parallelogram, ये पूरा parallelogram कितने triangles को cover कर रहा है? Two triangles को cover कर रहा है, 1 and 2. So similarly we can say the same thing about the area also, कि area of the parallelogram is equal to area of two triangles. So in other words,
does it always cover two triangles or just sometimes?
if you divide it into one part, if you divide it along one diagonal, एक ही diagonal बनाई है ना हमने, तो दो triangles बनेंगे और दो equal triangles बनेंगे हमेशा, if it is a parallelogram.
Okay, understood.
Okay, so that is why we say that area of a triangle is equal to half of the area of the parallelogram. ठीक है? समझ में आया हिबा?
Yeah. So will it be 1/2 multiplied by b multiplied by h?
Exactly. Yes, very good. So area of the triangle, note it down, area of triangle is going to be half multiplied by base multiplied by height. तो अगर आपके पास कहीं पे भी एक ट्राइंगल है तो आप क्या करेंगी? यू विल फाइंड इट्स, सबसे पहले आप उसका ऑल्टीट्यूड पता करेंगी कि हाउ मच इज द हाइट ऑफ द ट्राइंगल. तो ये हाइट हो गई, ठीक है, यहां से लेकर यहां तक का जो डिस्टेंस है वो हाइट हो गई. एंड देन दिस इज द बेस, यानी कि कोई एक साइड आप ले लेंगी. दिस इज द बेस. सो द एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल इज गोना बी हाफ इनटू बेस इनटू हाइट. ओके, अंडरस्टूड टिल हियर?
Yes.
ओके, अच्छा. अच्छा हिबा, जब हमने ट्राइंगल्स को डिस्कस किया था तो हमने एक और चीज भी डिस्कस की थी कि ट्राइंगल, किसी भी एक ट्राइंगल में कितने हाइट्स या कितनी ऑल्टीट्यूड्स होती हैं? हाउ मेनी ऑल्टीट्यूड्स आर देयर ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल?
2.
2. ओके, व्हिच इज द अदर वन?
No, only one.
ओनली वन. हाउ मेनी
Yeah,
मीडियंस आर देयर ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल?
only one.
ओनली वन. अच्छा,
No, sorry. There are 3 medians and 3 altitudes.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड हिबा. 3 मीडियंस, 3 ऑल्टीट्यूड्स, ठीक है. तो अगर हम इस ऑल्टीट्यूड की बात करें, अब फॉर द टाइम बीइंग आप ये ब्लू वाला जो मैंने मार्किंग्स यहाँ पे किए ना उनको भूल जाओ एंड लुक एट द न्यू मार्किंग्स दैट आई एम मेकिंग. तो लेट्स से इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस साइड, लेट्स से हमें ये वाला साइड नहीं पता, हमें दूसरा साइड पता है. लेट्स से ये है ए, ठीक है. तो हम कौन सा ऑल्टीट्यूड लेंगे? क्या हम अभी भी एच लेंगे या शुड वी टेक अ डिफरेंट ऑल्टीट्यूड बिकॉज हम डिफरेंट साइड ले रहे हैं?
I didn't understand.
ओके हिबा, if you are taking the do one thing, rotate your phone so that ये जो A है वो आपका बेस बन जाए, वो आपके लिए ऐसे लाइक हॉरिजॉन्टल हो जाए, ठीक है. नाउ लुक एट दिस ऑल्टीट्यूड. ये भी तो एक ऑल्टीट्यूड है ना, 90 डिग्रीज फॉर्म कर रहा है. तो
Yeah.
ये वाला जो ऑल्टीट्यूड है, लेट्स कॉल इट एक्स, ठीक है. इस रेड ऑल्टीट्यूड, नाउ डोंट लुक एट द ब्लू थिंग्स एट ऑल, उसको इग्नोर कर दो, जस्ट लुक एट द रेड मार्किंग्स दैट आई एम ड्राइंग. सो फॉर द एक्स वाला ऑल्टीट्यूड द बेस इज ए. ये वाला साइड
Yeah.
अब बेस होगा. तो अगर आपको ये वाला साइड पता है, अगर आपको ए पता है, तो आप कोई और ऑल्टीट्यूड नहीं लेंगे, आप वो ऑल्टीट्यूड लेंगे जो कि ए से परपेंडिकुलर है. परपेंडिकुलर मींस 90 डिग्रीज, है ना. वो वाला ऑल्टीट्यूड, वो वाली हाइट जो ए के ऊपर पड़ रही है, ठीक है, ये वाला हाइट. समझ में आया?
Yeah.
सो दैट इज व्हाई नाउ योर एरिया विल बी हाफ इनटू बेस, क्या हो गया, ए, एंड ऑल्टीट्यूड या फिर हाइट क्या हो गया, एक्स. ठीक है.
Okay, understood.
अच्छा, अब हिबा अगर कोई आपसे ये कहे, अच्छा आप मुझे ये बताओ कि ये वाली जो हमने एरिया फाइंड करी थी, दिस वन, एंड जो अभी हमने निकाली है दिस वन, आर दे द सेम और डिफरेंट? आर दे गोना बी
They
इक्वल
are
और
the
नॉट?
same.
या वेरी गुड, दे आर द सेम बिकॉज ये हम एक ही ट्राइंगल की एरिया की बात कर रहे हैं, राइट. सो लेट्स से अगर आपको कोई बोलता है कि हिबा आपके पास एक ट्राइंगल है उसका ये साइड है लेट्स से 5 सेंटीमीटर्स, ये साइड है 4 सेंटीमीटर्स, ठीक है, ये साइड है 3 सेंटीमीटर्स लेट्स से। तो एंड यू नो आपको ये वाला ऑल्टीट्यूड पता है, लेट मी जस्ट ड्रॉ इट। आपको ये वाला ऑल्टीट्यूड पता है, दिस इज इक्वल टू वेट अ मिनट, जस्ट अ मिनट हिबा।
Okay.
यस हिबा, इधर
Yes.
हिबा, यू देयर? ओके। So where were we? Yeah. So let's say you have a triangle like this, and let's say this thing is equal to um 4 centimeters. Okay. And yeah, and someone is asking you that find out this. Okay, find out the value of x. How will you do that? So first of all, ignore the red line. Okay, ignore the red line segment. Now what you do, you see that this is a triangle. Okay, this is a triangle. इसका base 5 है, and height is how much? Height is how much?
4 centimeters.
Very good. So the area is going to be half into 5 into 4, right? That's going to be
So
10 centimeters square.
so what is the 3 doing there?
Which 3?
Like,
This?
yeah.
It's a side of the triangle, बच्चा. ट्राइंगल के 3 साइड्स होते हैं ना, मैंने तीनों साइड्स के आपको मेजरमेंट बता दिए।
So why are we not taking that side?
हम साइड, ओके, आपको इस साइड के करस्पॉन्डिंग आपको क्या ऑल्टीट्यूड पता है? डू यू नो एनी ऑल्टीट्यूड विच इज लाइक ओवर हियर?
No.
नो, देन यू वोंट टेक दैट साइड। अभी वी आर टेकिंग हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट। ये वाला बेस है और ये वाली हाइट है, दिस इज द हाइट, दिस इज 4 सेंटीमीटर्स। अंडरस्टूड?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do one thing. Let's do more questions. Then this question will become easier for you. Fine. Uh, एक minute. ठीक है. हम एक्सरसाइज 11.2 पे आते हैं. ठीक है, कैन यू रीड द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन?
Find the area of each of the following parallelograms.
हाँ, तो फर्स्ट वाले का आप बता सकते हैं क्या होगा? How will
It
we
will
do
be
this first?
area of like the short form of parallelogram is we will draw two parallel lines and then GM.
Okay, fine. So area of the parallelogram is base into height.
Base into height, so it will be 4 multiplied by 7, so 28.
7 multiplied by 4, because 7 is the base and 4 is the height, है ना?
Will I lose marks if I misplace them?
No, you won't.
So 28 centimeters square.
28 centimeters square. Very good. Next.
Area of parallelogram is equal to base multiplied by height. So is equal to 5 multiplied by 3. So it will be 15 centimeters square.
Very good. Next.
Area of parallelogram is equal to B multiplied by H. So it will be 2.5 centimeter multiplied by 3.5 centimeter.
And that is?
So the final answer 8.75 centimeters.
Not
square.
75. 8.75
75
centimeters square. Okay.
Okay.
D and E you can do by yourself, no? Or
yes.
You what will okay? Just tell me verbally. D क्या होगा? Area is equal to what into what?
B multiplied by H. So 5 multiplied by 4.8 centimeters.
Very
so
good.
it will be 24 centimeters square. And
Okay.
for E, the final answer will be 8.8 centimeters square.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Next, let's do question number 2. Okay. Question number 2.
Find the area of each of the following triangles.
Yeah. सबसे पहले क्या होगा? First वाला part. Area of triangle is?
Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by base multiplied by height.
Very good.
So 1 by 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3.
Okay.
So
Then
1 by 2 multiplied by 12. So 12 by 2 and then 6 centimeters square will be the final answer.
Okay,
No, sorry.
good.
Yeah, 6 centimeters square.
Yeah. Okay, the second one, B part.
Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 B multiplied by height. Then 1 by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3.2. So 1 by 2 1 by 2 multiplied by 16.0. So it will be 16 by 2. So the final answer will be 8 centimeters square.
Centimeter square. Very good. Then
And area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by B multiplied by H. So the final answer will be 6 centimeters square.
Very good. So half okay, can you tell me what is the base?
The base is 3 centimeters.
3, and then height is?
4 centimeters.
4 centimeters. Very good. So this is equal to 6 centimeters squared. Okay. Next.
The base is 2 centimeters. No, sorry. The base is 3 centimeters and the height is 2 centimeters.
Right.
So the final answer will be 3 centimeters square.
Very good. All right, Hiba. Can you do the third one on your own? Did you understand the question? First, read it and tell me.
Okay, wait. Can you just do one?
Okay, sure. So let's do question number 3, part B. Okay. So you don't know the base. You don't know the base. You know the height. Height is 15 centimeters. And you know the area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram is 154.5 centimeters square. So what is the area of parallelogram का formula क्या होता है? Base into height, right? है ना?
Yeah.
So area is 154.5. It is equal to B, we don't know. Height is 15. So B into 15 is equal to 154.5. So B is equal to what? 154.5 divided by 15.
Wait, how are you getting 154.5?
Bacha, that's given in the question, no? Part B, 154.5 centimeter square. Area of the parallelogram.
Yeah. Sorry, I read the C, the third one.
Achha. Yeah. So you got it now?
Yeah. Can you wait 1 minute? I'll just write it down. How will we divide them?
Hiba, you know how to divide, you can do this. 1545. Okay. We moved the decimal place one place to the right. And then you have to write 150, 15 multiplied by 10. So what you are doing here is, let's say you have something like 154.5. Okay. This can be written as 1545 divided by 10. Yes? Itna
Why
pata
do
hai
we
na
have to
aapko?
divide by 10?
Because it will make it easier for us to do the
Because
division.
there's one number after the decimal point.
Yeah, one decimal place or one digit after the decimal point.
Okay, I understood.
Yeah. So यहाँ पे हम ऐसा कर रहे हैं ना. So the same thing what we're going to do here is 1545 by 15 तो पहले से ही है. 15 into 10 हो जाएगा ये this thing. So this part. ठीक है? समझ में आया?
Yes.
Okay. So अब इसके आगे हम क्या करेंगे? We have 1545 by 15 into 10, right? So पहले हम एक काम ऐसा करते हैं कि 1545 divided by 15 कर लेते हैं. ठीक है?
Okay.
क्या क्या मिला आपको हिबा?
I didn't get the answer right yet.
Okay. Hiba, just give me a minute, okay? There's someone on the door.
Okay. I found the answer.
Okay, yeah. Did you find the answer? Hiba, answer mila?
Is the answer 1130?
1130.
No, like when we divide, it's 103. But
Huh.
do we have to multiply it by 10 then?
You have to divide it by 10, na? Because see, what is 1545 divided by 15? ये हमने find किया, that is 103. So it is 103 divided by what? ये भी तो है ना denominator में 10. So 103 divided by 10 is how much? 10.3.
Okay.
Okay.
So base is equal to 10.3.
Yeah. 10.3 what? 10.3 के आगे पीछे कुछ लगेगा?
Centimeters.
Centimeters.
I will try to do
The rest of
one
them.
right now.
Okay. The rest of them. So question number 3, the entire thing, and then question number 4 also. That is also going to be the exact same way. बस difference ये होगा कि यहाँ पे area of a triangle है. So the formula will change.
Can I try the third one by myself right now?
Right now. So
Yeah.
question 3, the entire question you will try right now.
No, just the third one.
The C part.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you tell how to divide them?
Okay. Do you see what I've done here?
Yeah.
I had मेरे पास न्यूमरेटर में भी डेसिमल था और डिनोमिनेटर में भी डेसिमल था. So what have I done? I have seen कि okay, अगर what if I just divide it only, sorry, multiply ऊपर नीचे only by 10, दोनों 10 से मैंने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, तो क्या हो जाएगा, मेरा जो ये डेसिमल पॉइंट है ये एक प्लेस यहाँ शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. सो डिनोमिनेटर में तो हमारा डेसिमल पॉइंट विल गो ऑफ, ठीक है, बट इन द न्यूमरेटर यू विल स्टिल हैव 487.2. तो अब इसको भी आप बैठ के वो करो, तो दैट इज व्हाई आई मल्टीप्लाइड इट विद 100. व्हाई एंड हाउ डिड आई नो दैट? oops sorry, how did I know that? I saw कि ऊपर आई हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई इन सच अ वे दैट ये दोनों डेसिमल प्लेसेस चले जाएं. So that's why I've multiplied with 100 because it has two zeros. Okay, so two decimal places, so two zeros. And you know one thing about fractions is that आप जिस नंबर से ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई करोगे उसी नंबर से आपको नीचे भी मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's why I've multiplied ऊपर नीचे both by 100. And then I got this number. If you can see carefully, it is 4872 by 840. यहाँ तक समझ में आया?
How did you get 487.2?
It's not point. It's not point. It's something that I've used in cancellation. It's not a point. Wait a minute. ठीक है? Now is it clear? 4872 मुझे ऐसे मिला. I multiplied this. इसलिए मुझे 4872 मिला. ठीक है? यहाँ तक क्लियर है?
Can you just show how to add them? Sorry, multiply them.
Okay. So you have 487, sorry, 48.72 by 8.4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100 ऊपर, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100 नीचे। तो ऊपर आप देखो मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो क्या आएगा? So it's 48.72 multiplied by 100. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So your decimal point will shift 2 places to the right. 1, 2. ठीक है? It has shifted 2 places to the right. So that is 4872. अब decimal plate कहाँ, decimal place कहाँ, decimal point कहाँ पे आ गया हमारा? यहाँ आ गया 2 के बाद, है ना? 2 point. ठीक, पॉइंट का मतलब कि अब वी डोंट हैव टू मेंशन द पॉइंट नाउ, पॉइंट इसका मतलब पॉइंट हट गया हमारा। नेक्स्ट कम्स द डिनोमिनेटर विच इज 8.4। सो इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई 8.4 विद 100, आपका डेसिमल पॉइंट कितने प्लेसेस आगे जाएगा? देयर आर 2 zeros, so it will be 1, 2. So if you do it like this, there's 8.4, इसमें हमें पॉइंट को 2 प्लेसेस आगे लेकर जाना है, 1, 2. तो पॉइंट will come over here, point will come here. So what will happen to this empty space? Here you put a 0. Okay,
So
so
will
it
it be
becomes,
just 48?
it will be 840.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Okay.
Ouch.
But like if we multiplied both the uh, denominator, no, if we multiplied both of them with 10, we will still get like 84, right?
Yeah, we will get 84. But okay, let's see what will happen if we multiply both of them with 10. ऊपर क्या मिलेगा आपको बताना?
487.2.
0.2. नीचे you will get 84. अब now you have this point. इस point को हटाने के लिए again you have to do the same thing. इस point को हटाने के लिए क्या करोगे आप? You will put a 0 over here and remove the point. The same thing which we did over here. यहाँ पे हमने यही same काम किया
Why do
था।
we have to put a 0 there?
बच्चे okay. There are two ways of dividing this. Okay, if you want to solve 4, you can do it like this. But I personally find this very problematic. Problematic in the sense ki a lot of students get confused in when they are dividing a decimal. ठीक है? And this is मतलब I find this मतलब बिला वजह का आपको क्यों इतना मेहनत करना? Where you can just 487.2 है, तो सिंपली आप उस पॉइंट को हटा दो ना, पॉइंट को हटा दो। कैसे पॉइंट हटेगा? पॉइंट आपका तब हटेगा जब आप इसको इंटू 10 करेंगे। लेकिन अगर आप ऊपर 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो तो नीचे भी 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा।
Okay.
That is why we get 4872 by 840. The same thing which we did in the previous question here. 1545 by 15.
It is kind of confusing.
Okay, what is confusing, Hiba? Tell me.
Like, I don't know how to divide them.
You don't know how to divide what? This thing? 48.72 divided by 8.4.
Yeah, and like the rest of them.
So
Like
this is what I
dividing
am
like dividing decimals.
dividing decimals. Okay. So this is what I was telling you na कि what you have to do is just ऊपर और नीचे, ठीक है, आपको 100 से नहीं मल्टीप्लाई करना, यू नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट, देन ओके नो प्रॉब्लम, यू मल्टीप्लाई इट विद 10। ठीक है, आप 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए। 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद हमने देखा था ना क्या आएगा हमारे पास, ऊपर 487.2 आ जाएगा, राइट? This thing will move one place, over here also it will move one place, so we have 487.2 divided by 84. Fine. Now you will say ki, oh no, I still have this point, I want to get rid of this point. How do I do that? I again multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. so that I can get
So-
rid of this 2.
So then it will be just 4872 divided by 840, right?
840, yes.
So like if we divide, if I multiplied by 10, then it would be easier. Then you multiplying by 100.
You, okay. You don't want to do this part. Is that what you're saying?
No, I want to do this part, but I want to multiply it with 10.
Okay, so you are saying for you it is easier to multiply it with 10 two times than multiplying it with 100 just one time. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what you're saying. It's the same thing. If you want to do it like this, then no problem, but essentially you're doing the same thing ना. आप किसी एक नंबर को, let's say you have 5, आपने 5 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, आपको 50 मिल गया, फिर अगेन आप उसको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, फिर अगेन आप 50 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, आपको 500 मिल गया. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ spending so much time on multiplying it so many times, why not just multiply it with 100 एक ही बार में, and आपको आंसर एक ही बार में मिल जाएगा ना. समझ में आई बात?
Yeah. Okay, I will try with 100.
हाँ जी हिबा, कहाँ पे पहुंची आप? हिबा,
I'm almost done.
okay.
So B is equal to 5.8 centimeters.
Very good. B is equal to 5.8 centimeters. ठीक है. Now you can do question number 3 and 4 by yourself.
Yeah, I'll try.
Good. Now let's come to question number 5. Okay.
Can we do the fourth one, like just one of them?
Okay, sure. Which one do you want to do?
The third one.
Part C. Okay. How will we do this, Hiba?
So height is base is equal to 22 centimeters. Height is equal to we don't know the height, so it will be in like question mark, and then area is
Area of
equal
triangle.
to area of triangle is equal to 170.5 centimeters square. So
फॉर्मूला
area
बताइए, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है?
sorry 1 by 2
हाँ, very good.
multiplied by L multiplied by B.
Very good. Not
So
L multiplied
1
by
by
B, base multiplied by height. Half
base
into base
multiplied
into height, right?
base multiplied by height. So 22 multiplied by H.
So area, one sec. Area कितना है? 170.5 is equal to half into 22 into H. So ये 22 by ये जो 2 और 22 है, इसको हम कैंसिल कर दें यहीं पे.
Can we bring it to the other side first? Like it's confusing.
You can, but it is going to be more confusing for you. Okay. अभी फिलहाल आप ये जो आपके पास है ना, you can just cancel it. You can just cancel these two things ना. एक चीज न्यूमरेटर में है, एक चीज डिनोमिनेटर में है, एक चीज ऊपर है, एक चीज नीचे है. You can say one thing is on the ground floor, one thing is on the first floor. So they can get cancelled with each other.
What if I don't notice that they both are getting cancelled?
Then no problem. It's just going to be a little tedious for you to solve. That's all. आप क्या करोगे? देखो, then what will happen is you will do this. You're gonna do half into 22 into h is equal to, मतलब you are spending time writing this entire thing. No, ये सब लिखने में भी तो टाइम लग रहा है आपको. But when you are writing your exam, no, you have to find out what is the quickest way to write your answer. Okay, because in an exam you don't have that much time. Fine. So now अब आप क्या करोगे? In this method you're gonna say okay, h is equal to 170.5. फिर आप इसको okay, you're gonna take this first into 2 हो जाएगा, फिर ये denominator में आएगा. Why would you do all that when you can just cancel it over here? समझ में आई बात है बा?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's just gonna save you time. That's all. Time and energy.
So 170.5 is equal to 1 multiplied by 11 multiplied by h.
Yeah, you don't have to mention the one because 1 multiplied by anything is gonna give you that same number only. So now we have, अब आप हम इसको flip कर दें, equation को flip कर दें. 11 multiplied by h is equal to 170.5.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. अब बताइए h क्या कैसे फाइंड करेंगे हम? h is equal to
we will multiply both of them. No, sorry. It will be like 170.5 divided by 11.
Yeah. Then
And we multiply both of them with 10.
okay, good. Then क्या बन जाएगा ये?
It will be 1000. No. Sorry, 17,050.
17,050.
17050.
How will it be 050? ये एक्स्ट्रा जीरो कहाँ से आया?
So we can cancel that zero.
बच्चा वो एक्स्ट्रा जीरो कहाँ से आया, पहले आप मुझे ये बताइए.
Like when I multiplied them.
आपने इसको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई जब किया होगा तो दिस डेसिमल पॉइंट शिफ्ट्स वन प्लेस टू द राइट, नो, बिकॉज देयर इज ओनली वन जीरो ओवर हियर. 10 में सिर्फ एक ही जीरो है. सो दिस डेसिमल प्लेस शिफ्ट्स वन प्लेस टू द राइट. वन प्लेस टू द राइट मींस ये 5 के आगे जाके द डेसिमल प्लेस कम्स हियर. हाउ विल देयर बी एनी एक्स्ट्रा जीरोस? अगर यहाँ पे 100 होता तब जाके ये 17050 होता. समझ में आई बात?
I didn't move the decimal point. I just multiplied it.
हाँ, so you can't do that ना. Decimal point है तो you have to treat it like that. 170.5 को आप 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो it will be 1705. अच्छा, अगर आप 1705 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ना, then you will get 17050. समझ में आई बात?
Okay. So it will be 1705 divided by 100.
डिवाइड बाय 100. ये क्या है डिनोमिनेटर में? 11 था ना. 11 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 विल गिव यू व्हाट?
100.
100. 11 into 10 क्या होता है हिबा? हम्म 11 into 10 क्या होता है? अच्छा, टेल मी वन थिंग, 10 into 10 क्या होता है?
100.
तो 11 into 10 भी 100 होता है?
No.
क्या होता है फिर?
110.
110. ठीक है. हाँ, अब करिए इसको सॉल्व. 1705 डिवाइडेड बाय 110. तो डू वन थिंग, अभी जो फिलहाल ये जो जीरो है ना, लीव इट एज इट इज. अभी आप 1705 को 11 से डिवाइड करो. ओके?
Why do we have to leave the zero?
Because the zero is not going to play any role in this division. जो भी फाइनल इसका आंसर आएगा, that you can, जो भी आंसर इसका आएगा, it's going to be 155 I think. फिर you can just use the zero over here. यहाँ पे use कर सकते हो and you can put 15.5. If you want, you can put the zero over here also, no problem. करिए.
So it will be 1550.
No. This is why I was saying not to put the zero over here. Because that...
No, I didn't put the zero.
You didn't put the zero? Then it will be 155.
Yeah,
See, okay.
it is 155, but I added a zero there.
No, you won't add the zero there. Okay, wait. 11 ones are 11. 6. 11 fives are 55. And then 11 fives are 55. Okay. So, अब ये जो हमारे पास आया है, it is 1705 divided by 11, which is equal to 155. हमारे पास it is 155 divided by 10. 155 multiplied by 10 नहीं है. अगर 155 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 10 होता तब आप 1550 बोलते हैं, but it is divided by 10, right? So the decimal, this thing, it will become smaller, this number will become smaller. That means there is 1 0 in the denominator, so there will be
But
one decimal point.
we are not multiplying it by 10.
You said 1550 ना, तो वो तो तभी आएगा जब आप multiply by 10 करेंगे.
Yeah, so but we left a 0 there, right? In
We
one.
left a 0 in the denominator, bachcha. It's over here in the denominator. So it's 155 divided by 10. यहाँ तक समझ में आया आपको?
Yeah.
Okay.
So do we have to use a 0?
Yeah. आप मुझे बताओ 155 divided by 10 क्या होगा? आप मुझे खुद बताओ. You have 155 divided by 10. This will be equal to what?
One 155.0.
155. अच्छा, आप मुझे ये बताओ 155.0 और 155 ये दोनों सेम है या अलग अलग है?
They are the same.
They are the same ना? तो we have 155. We are dividing it with 10. बच्चे क्या होता है जब हम डिवाइड बाय 10 करते हैं, हम ये देखते हैं कि हमारे डिनोमिनेटर में कितने जीरोज हैं. आप 10 से डिवाइड कर रहे हो या 100 से डिवाइड कर रहे हो या 1000 से डिवाइड कर रहे हो. सो यू आर डिवाइडिंग बाय 10 over here. 10 has how many zeros? It has 1 0, right? So decimal point, the default position of the decimal point, अगर कहीं पे भी नजर नहीं आ रहा आपको decimal point, that means it is over here. Okay, because 155.0 is the same thing as 155. ठीक है, तो default position ये है, तो it is your 155. ठीक है, the decimal point is over here. क्या हो रहा है decimal point के साथ? Since it is being divided by 10, which has 1 0, so your point will go one place towards the left. Towards the left.
Where do we have to use the 0?
This is which 0? You're talking about this?
No, like in 1705 divided by 110. We left a 0, right? So do we have to use the 0?
Using it. देखो, this is where we are using it. See, यहाँ पे क्या था? This was your 17.
But it's just 0.
हाँ.
It's not 10.
It's not. Oh God, Hiba. 11 into 10 क्या होता है?
110.
तो ये 110 है. It means it is 110. It is 11 multiplied by 10. No?
Yeah.
That 0, ये जो 0 दिख रहा है ना, ये 10 ही था. It is 11 multiplied by 10. This 0 means 10 over here. Or let me write it in another way. You had 1705 by 11 by 110. ठीक है, इसको हमने दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है. 1705 डिवाइडेड बाय 11 into 10. हमने पहले इसको सॉल्व किया है, और अगर आपको फर्दर इसको क्लासिफाई करना है तो इसको आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 1705 डिवाइडेड बाय 11 into 1 by 10. ठीक है, ये जो ये वाला पार्ट था इसको हमने यहाँ पे ले लिया, और डिनोमिनेटर, ठीक है, इट्स लाइक दैट. तो 1705 by 11 तो ये रहा, और 1 by 10 इज ओवर हियर. ये जो 1 by 10 था हमने इसको सेपरेट कर लिया. 10 को सेपरेट करेंगे तो अब आप मुझे बताओ कि वो न्यूमरेटर में तो आएगा नहीं. वी कांट राइट 1705 by 11 into 10, राइट? क्योंकि ये जो 10 था ये हमारा डिनोमिनेटर में था, इसलिए हमने इसको सेपरेट जब किया तो ये डिनोमिनेटर में ही रहेगा. अब समझ में आया आपको?
Yeah.
Got it? So that is where that 0 went. That 0 was actually a 10, which is what I was trying to show you over here, that it is 155 क्योंकि 1705 divided by 11, this was 155, है ना। तो 155/10, ये बाई 10 ये रहा हमारा, ठीक है।
Okay.
So where were we? Yeah. So this 155, the decimal point will move one place to the left. So that's why it will become 15.5. समझ में आया है बा?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
If there's any doubt, you can ask me. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आपको डाउट है बट आप पूछ नहीं रहे हो, देन आपको कंफ्यूजन होगी, तो देयर विल बी प्रॉब्लम लेटर ऑन. सो इफ देयर इज एनी डाउट एट ऑल, जस्ट फील फ्री टू आस्क. तो ये वाला तो हमारा सॉल्व हो गया. 15.5 क्या था हमारा?
I didn't understand. I didn't understand how it became 10 again.
Okay, no problem. Let me show you. See. हाँ. अच्छा, let me show you some other number. Wait. Okay. Let's say you have 0.5. ठीक है, इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? फ्रैक्शन में क्या हो जाएगा ये? 5/10. Yes or no?
Yes.
ठीक है. अगर आपके पास है 1.55 बाय, चलो कुछ और नंबर लेते हैं यार, 5 से बहुत हो गया. 123 बाय बाय 6, नो नॉट 6, बाय 3, और 12.3/3. ठीक है, तो यू कैन राइट दिस, या 12.3 छोड़ो, 123/3. Can you write this as 123 into 1/3? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Now let's say this is your.
How is it 1/3?
Okay. Tell me one thing. If I write 3 into 1/4, is this equal to 3/4 or not?
It is.
It is. If I write अब same चीज मैंने यहाँ पे की है, 123 into 1/3. What we are doing is numerators are being multiplied with each other and denominators are being multiplied with each other. Can you tell me what is the denominator of 123?
1.
Very good, 1. So they are, when they are being multiplied, 3 into 1. तो हमारे पास क्या आ रहा है? न्यूमरेटर में देखो, 123 multiplied by 1 क्या आया?
123.
डिनोमिनेटर में 3 into 1 क्या आया?
3.
समझ में आया?
Yeah.
So now do you understand how this is happening? That if we had we had some number 1807 by 150, so you can write it like this: 1807 by 15 into 1/10. या फिर you can write it like this also: 1807 by 10 into 1/15. Why? Because numerator is 1807 into 1. ठीक है, denominator is 150 ना, तो 15 into 10, 15 into 10. ठीक है. इनफैक्ट आप ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं कि अगर आपके पास लेट्स से है 80 by लेट्स से 42. ठीक है, 42 नहीं, चलो 56.